Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is perfect for the upcoming holidays, and it is the Lego Gingerbread House. This is model 10267. It is going to include 1,477 pieces, and it is designed for ages 12 and up. And as you can see, here is the house itself. It's also going to come with a nice independent little Christmas tree. You are going to get 3 little minifigures. You're going to get 2 gingerbread people, a man and a woman, and then you're going to get a tiny little baby itself. As far as the house itself, it's about 8 inches tall, it's about 10 inches wide, and about 5 inches in depth. It does have an interactive feature. If you press at the top of the fireplace does kind of light up, which is really, really cool. Has just a simple little battery on it. On the front, it's very, very detailed, has a candy cane look to it. You have them sitting out. You can see the gingerbread people themselves. Got little lanterns at the front with a little candy lane sign. When you swap it around in the attic, you're going to have the baby's room with the little chocolate beds. You will have a nice bathroom. You even have a little toilet down below. You're going to have a living room set up. Once again, you will see that fireplace, which will light up. And then you're going to have the kitchen set up. You even have a door on the side that opens and closes. All the windows are made of gummy drop looking panes to them. A lot of fun. The roofs are very, very decorated like a gingerbread house himself. But it's a lot of fun, whether you are building this for yourself, adding it to maybe your winter Lego collection, or you're building it as a family. It's a fun little exercise. It'll easily take you a little afternoon to put together. Instructions are always easy to follow with Legos, and it comes with everything you possibly need. So if you are looking for a great Lego set to build this holiday, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.